Okay, so on twin flame journey, people say that uh, be a magnet and stop chasing people. Okay, but the thing is, being an empathetic person, you mostly attract narcissists and psychopaths and sociopaths and all toxic people. You mostly attract toxic people. Okay, so when these people on on YouTube and Instagram, they say that magnetize what you want in your life, magnetize the person you want to attract in your life. But then, don't you think attracting a person in your life uh, is somewhere against the will of that person? Because I feel like if somebody really wants to be in your life, they will surely approach from the front. You don't have to magnetize them. Or is it something that people may be talking about doing some kind of spiritual um, maybe activity or some kind of ritual behind magnetizing this person? Yeah, people do that, doing some rituals, but then I feel like it is totally against the will of the person. Okay, and you can magnetize anything, in your life, like abundance, uh, and money, quality of life you want to live, and other things. But then, when it comes to attracting a person in your life, is something I feel like it should be from the will of the person. Uh, you know, you shouldn't be doing a spell on the person to be, you know, to be in your life. And when they say that, be a magnet to what you want in life, and uh, I just saw a video, okay, wherein uh, theme the topic of the video was like, it was written on the video, like magnetize your avoidant, be a magnet, and not chase the avoidant. But then I feel like, in case of human beings, I don't think so you are supposed to be a magnet, or you are not. I don't think so you are supposed to magnetize anybody, because you never know, how the person is from within. you know Maybe from outside you are seeing and you are attracted to this person, and now you want this person in your life, but then you don't know that person personally. Okay, and you thinking of magnetizing this person in your life, that can be a double edged sword. You never know what kind of person this person will be when they are close to you, like when they come in your periphery. So I feel like you can use this uh, manifestation rituals only on things um, which are like not human being, isn't it? It shouldn't be, manifestation shouldn't be done on manifesting a person in your life, because you never know what kind of person you will manifest. Because this one particular lady that is with an avoidant, She has been making videos for a very long time, and she said that she has manifested this avoidant in her life. Okay, but then now the thing is that again there is a separation between them. Okay, uh, the avoidant person has left as of now again. So what is the meaning then? Your manifestation basically failed, isn't it? So there is, I feel like even if you try to manifest a person in your life, it will not work out if that person is not supposed to be in your life. And you can try manifesting, and maybe that person will get manifested. But in case of human beings, there is a will that human beings have got, and they will follow their will. They will choose whatever they want to choose in their life, and you can't do much about it. So you can manifest other things, money, luxury, lifestyle, happy life, everything. But then when it comes to human beings, I don't think so you can manifest human beings. Even if you manifest, their will come in the way, and how they are, that will also affect your relationship, and it will take directions accordingly. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. So thank you, bye, take care, and I will be sharing more videos on this other topics as well. Thank you, bye.